What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As always, thanks for taking the time to be here and supporting the channel. Wanted to get this video out now because this could be a big week for gold. Gold has been in a big downtrend since it peaked a little over $2,000 an ounce earlier in the year, and ever since then gold has been going down, and we recently came down here and hit around 16.13 an ounce. And I made a video a few weeks ago. If you didn't get to catch that video, I was talking about how important this 1680 level was, because it had been previous support multiple times. If you look at this trend line right here, look how many hits. It came down and always bounced back up. Well, over the last week, that support has finally broke, and something to pay attention to if you are taking the time to look at charts and different things like that, or even if you're brand new to this stuff. The more times support is tested, the weaker it gets. So this held support for a very, very long time. You're talking about 2 years of support. But again, unfortunately, the more times it gets hit, it gets weaker, weaker, and weaker, and we have finally broken that support. Came down here to 16.13, and we did bounce there, but this is the back test of support becoming resistance now. And remember, gold is usually correlated to the dollar, and the dollar has been going crazy. The reason gold was up here at 2,000 an ounce and has continuously dropped is because the DXY, and that's the US dollar, has continuously came up. And you can see it peaked up here around 114, almost got to 115, and you can see it's pulled back here a little bit. And that's the same reason gold has came back up. Now, I'm a stacker. I stack gold, stack silver, other precious metals. I always pay attention to this because, I want to get gold at the best prices. So right now, I'm not buying any gold. And the reason I'm not buying any gold is because I think we can definitely go lower. And we could actually go a lot lower, down to breaking 1550, 1500, even down further. So I'm paying attention. If gold can get back up here, that's great, but I'm definitely not buying it. I'm waiting to see how it performs right here, because this is now resistance. And if the DXY comes down a little bit more, maybe to this golden pocket, and bounces back up, and long term, I'm very, very bullish on the US dollar. It's hard not to be. But if you're in the market looking for gold, in my opinion, I would be waiting on this and seeing how it performs. If it rejects here, how low do we go? So if you're a good stacker and you watch the channel, I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of that. And as you can see, ever since we double topped right here, we have been trending down. And we could come down here even as low as 1448 in the next few weeks, next few months. So I'm hoping that's not the case. And of course it could go any way. But right now, I don't know how long this 1613 is going to hold up. It's not very strong support, so it's definitely not going to get hit. 8-10 times and be able to hold. And again, gold and the dollar are correlated to one another, so you have to watch that too. But I just wanted to get a video out real quick. Pay attention to it. Don't just go buy gold. That would be my recommendation, because you may be able to get it at much lower prices here in the coming weeks. But of course, you can do anything that you want to, but I did want to make a video real quick and just let you know what was going on, just the basics, and to pay attention to that. And on this channel, we'll definitely be paying attention to this chart, DXY, even silver, and seeing what price targets we may be looking at in the next coming weeks. So as always, appreciate you taking the time to be here. Hope you find this information useful. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Check out our $5 Gold Eagle giveaway. Subscribe to the channel, comment, share. It's always greatly appreciated. Until next time, I'll catch you on the next video.